Okay, we've got big breaking news coming in this morning. There's another incident that has come up of police brutality that has come to light in Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. A 28-year-old man named Mahendran was forcefully taken by the Santanakulam Sub-Inspector Raghu Ganesh and other cops from his maternal grandmother's residence in the wee hours of 23rd of May. Why? Because the elder brother was one of the 9 suspects in a murder case and was absconding. These are the same cops who are involved in the alleged deaths of father and son Jairaj and Benix, in the alleged murder of Jairaj and Benix. Remember, Jairaj and Benix lost their lives on the back of alleged police brutality. And now there's another incident that is coming to light. It is of police brutality in Tuticorin, in Tamil Nadu. Let's listen in to a reaction that's coming in.
Our main aim of this case is only 3 things. Number 1, get justice to Mahendran. Mahendran, without any FIR, had been taken from the house, beaten thoroughly, brutally attacked, without any single FIR. And you kept the person at the custody 2 days, without giving to the custody of the magistrate. So we need justice for Mahendran. We are seeking honorable court to get the justice. Number 2, widow woman, physically challenged woman, we need to get some compensation. 3rd, the real culprit is the Superintendent of Police, the SP, and the inspectors Sridhar and Raghu Ganesh. They should be put under the murder.
All right, Akshay is now joining us live for the very latest. Akshay, it is just this incident is also proving that the police excesses in Tamil Nadu need to be contained. The failure of the administration of the Tamil Nadu government coming to the fore, of Tamil Nadu police coming to the fore as well. We saw how Jairaj and Benix lost their lives. It was a case of alleged murder. The accused are, of course, the police. And in this case as well, this is another incident of police brutality that is coming to light. What really happened in this particular case?
Well, Chaiti, this incident happened almost 2 weeks prior to Jairaj and Benix being taken into custody. Satankulam police, who were involved in the death of Jairaj and Benix, are the ones who are being named in Mahendran's death as well. And what we've been given to understand from the complaint that mother of Mahendran, Vadiver, has given in the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court is that unfortunately Mahendran was taken into custody by the Satankulam police without even a proper FIR or a case being filed against him. He was just being taken into custody only and only because his elder brother was an accused in a murder case, and not being able to find the elder brother, the younger brother Mahendran was taken into custody with the hope that the elder brother would come and summon. And more importantly, Chaiti, we need to remember the language which is being used by Raghu Ganesan, the SI who was involved in this case as well. Apparently, it is being said that Raghu Ganesan had threatened the grandmother of Mahendran, saying that if the elder brother does not come and come to the police station voluntarily, then the younger son who is being taken into custody will not return alive. These were the exact words which were used. And also, almost after 24-hour custody, when Mahendran did come back home, he was in a very weak state, is what we're given to understand.
Okay.
And from the police, from the hospital records also.
All right, we'll continue getting some political reactions on this story as well as we go along the way. For now, thanks Akshay for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.